Hello guys, so today we'll check out how to get rid of this issue 429 which we usually face when we try to use non-browser automation, which in case it is we actually don't use a browser to visit the website, and let's see how we can tackle this. So to reproduce the issue, we have this website old Reddit, which we can see this is how the website looks like. It has some data and we want to get, let's say, the title of this page. Let's see, let's use the old approach. I mean, the one which we usually do and we get an issue. In this case, we are using request module. As I said, it is non-browser automation, so we are not going to open any browser in this case. Let's see what we get. We run this scraper. We are getting 429 status, that is too many requests. And let's see how we can get rid of this. But before going on to the solution, I want to tell you all what is the difference between this code and the one which I'll be showing you all with the solution. So right now we have headers. What is headers? So whenever there is a handshake, whenever we try to communicate with a website, in case of browser automation, so there we send some values, some user agents. Actually, there's a whole list of things which we send, which you can check this page. I'll give it in the description. It has all the things which a website receives when any like we visit a website from our machine. So these are all the things. But in our case, we are just using the user agent, and this is how if you compare the code, it is exactly same as how we were following in the previous one. If I just compare it, it's exactly the same. We are importing the library. Just the thing is, we are using headers and we are passing a headers, and it has the user agent. And in this website, you can see what all other headers we can use. And it is totally dependent on what is your use case, based on which you can try these out, and whichever works best, you can apply. And then we are making the get request on this page, and we are passing the headers. Then we are passing the text, and we are checking for the title. We are checking what is the status code and what's the title. Let's see what we get in case of better scraper. Okay, we got status code 200 and the title of the page is Reddit front page of the internet. But if we run the older one, we are getting 429. So this is the difference, and that's how we can get rid of this issue. You all can check this code. I'll give a GitHub link as well if you all want to try this code yourself. And thanks for watching the video. We'll see you in the next.